Hey everyone, Dale Moreau here, founder of DaleMoreau.net and also founder of Dale Moreau Coaching. Now, I have a special treat for those who are in day trading and for those who are in the travel business. Now, many of you already know that I'm big about doing 1 minute presentations on businesses. But how do you give a 1 minute presentation on day trading and the travel business? Well, we simply follow a formula. What kind of business are we in? What kind of money can I make? What can I do to earn the money? Or what do I have to do to earn the money? What do you think? And answer those four questions, and you have the 1 minute presentation. So let's start with day traders. Now, day traders are people who trade currencies and stocks and bonds on the stock, bond, and currency exchanges on a daily basis for fun and profit. Now, since iMarket Live is a major day trader, firm for the Forex exchange, we will use them for our examples. Now, what kind of business are we in? Well, to answer that, we merely answer the question directly. We're in the day trading business. How more simple is that? But we don't want to generalize what the day trading business is about. We want to make it very specific. And when we add the phrase, which means, we can get very specific. We're in the day trading business, which means people specifically buy and sell financial instruments with us within the same trading day for fun and profit. Now, what kind of money can I make? To answer that question for the 1 minute presentation, we need to ask the prospect this question. If you were to have an extra income with our business, how much extra income are you looking to earn? And if the prospect answers $5,000 a month, we can say, if you want to earn an extra $5,000 a month over the next 6 months, working 10 to 12 hours a week, you need to do these four things. Now, what do I have to do to earn the money? Well, to earn the extra $5,000 a month with us, all it takes is $435 to open a day trading account. Then we show you exactly the financial instruments to buy and sell each day from the palm of your hand using our phone apps, getting you great results starting your first week. And then what do you think? Now, that is the $1 million closing question that we add at the end of the 1 minute presentation. So let's put together the 1 minute presentation on day trading using our formula. Here's what you ask the prospect. I can give you a complete presentation, but take an entire minute. When could you set aside a whole minute? I can see it now, says the prospect. And you say, just curious, if you were to have an extra income with our business, how much extra income would you be looking to earn? And the prospect says $10,000 a month. And now you can give the 1 minute presentation because you have all the information that you need to do it. And here's how you do it. And you can time me on this. If you want to earn an extra $10,000 a month over the next 12 months, working 10 to 12 hours a week, you need to know these four things. Number one, don't change. Be yourself. Just continue to recommend and to promote the things you like, such as your favorite restaurants and movies. After all, you're an expert at it already. You've been doing it your whole life. Number two, we're in the day trading business, which means people specifically buy and sell financial instruments with us within the same trading day for fun and profit. As the old saying goes, for our business, past profits do not always guarantee future profits. But everybody says they want to make money in the financial markets and have a lot of fun doing it with minimum risk and huge financial rewards. And number three, you know how some experts tell you that you have to plunk down $25,000 to $30,000 to open a day trading account to buy and sell in the markets? Well, to earn an extra $5,000 a month with us, all it takes is $435 to open a day trading account. Did we show you exactly the financial instruments to buy and sell each day from the palm of your hand using our phone apps, getting you great results starting your first week? And to show you how serious we are about helping you, we will add a matching bonus amount equal to the amount of money you deposit in your trading account. That way, you will have more leverage and buying power in the markets. And to make it more fun and rewarding for you, we will pay you a monthly bonus when people you talk to on social media or in person follow us in the business. And number four, if you keep going, after a couple years or so, your income will be more than what you're earning after working 20 to 30 years at your job. Then you will have to decide if you want to keep your job or spend half the time just sharing our secrets for making a full-time income with small investments of buying and selling financial instruments from day to day on the world markets with people instead. Now that's it. That's the whole explanation. What do you think? Well, what about a 1 minute presentation for those who are in the world travel business? Well, here's what we say. Again, we ask our two questions. I can give you a complete presentation, but take an entire minute. When could you set aside a whole minute? The prospect says, how about now? I've got a minute. And you say, just curious, if you were to have an extra income with our business, how much extra income would you be looking to earn? And the prospect says, $3,000 a month. And then you give the 1 minute presentation. If you want to earn an extra $3,000 a month over the next 3 months working just a few hours a week, you need to know these four things. Number one, don't change. Be yourself. Just continue to recommend and promote things you like, such as your favorite restaurants and music. After all, you are an expert at it already. You've been doing it your whole life. And number two, we're in the travel and leisure business, which means people like our free and discounted first class travel by air and sea, free flight insurance, baggage discounts, half price meals at 5-star restaurants, and the 5-star hotel prices for the price of a 1-star hotel. We also have a universal card that protects all your credit cards from loss and theft. Everybody says they want to travel the world and have fun doing it while protecting their cards and valuables from loss and theft. Number three, all you have to do is let people your age know that they can pay full price or travel with us in style at prices that won't cost them an arm and a leg. Just by talking to 10 to 12 people a day that you meet in public or on social media over the next 3 months, you will accumulate enough customers buying our products every day and people following us into the business that you will earn $3,000 or more a month, and that will at least pay some bills and might buy you a nice car. Number four, if you keep going after a year or so, your income will be more than what you earn right now at work. Then you will have to decide if you want to keep your job or spend half the time just sharing travel and leisure discounts and products. That's it. That's the whole explanation. What do you think? You see, a short presentation is always better than a long one. It is an effective presentation. Now, the 1 minute presentation saves time and people are more willing to listen. So which works better for your prospects, the long presentation or the short presentation? The 1 minute presentation is always the best. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment for me in my comment section. And here's a bonus. If you have a presentation a 1 minute presentation that you would like me to create, here's what you need to do. Send me the name of your company, what your company does, and exactly 3 benefits that your company offers. And I will create a 1 minute presentation for you and what is both the lowest amount of money that can be earned and the highest amount of money that can be earned about that business. Send all that information to me at dale@dalemoreau.net. That's DALEMOREAU. And I will respond to you with a 1 minute presentation for your company. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, leave me a comment in my comment section or leave me a comment on Facebook. And I hope to see you all on the better side of success.